So this question is from computer network for 1 marks in GATE 2020. Question is given that assume that you have made a request for a web page through your web browser to web server. Initially, the web browser is empty. Further, the browser is configured to send HTTP request in non-persistent mode. The web page contains text and 5 very small images. The minimum number of TCP connections required to display the web page completely in your browser. Okay. So we know that in HTTP non-persistent connection, each time a request is served by the server and connection is automatically closed by the server, that we are knowing. So we need one connection for web page and 5 for images. So total number of connections we required, that is in non-persistent mode, this is 1 for your web page and 5 for images. So total 6 TCP connections is required. Okay, thank you.